Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of configuring the Yahoo Weather app to operate exclusively over Wi-Fi, ensuring you don't use cellular data unnecessarily. This is especially useful if you're on a limited data plan or want to conserve battery life. First, open the Yahoo Weather app on your phone. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines located at the top left. Then, select Settings from the menu options. After that, look for the Cellular Data Limits section and tap on it. Here, you'll find options to restrict data usage. Finally, set the app to Wi-Fi only mode. This ensures the app will only use Wi-Fi for data and will not consume your cellular data. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking the video, and sharing it with others. Thank you for watching.